What up, YouTube? I'm gonna show y'all how to do some Mayweather sit-ups, stand-ups.
We all worked together in New York, and we all put this together this week.
Try to do as many as I can.
Thank you.
Ready? That's one. That's two. Three. Four. Alright, that's all I got. One more for the money. Two more for the show. Three more to get ready. Come on, let's do another one. Let's do another one. Here we go, another one. There you go. Did as many as I could. Woo!